Hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to devlabs.ai. So, in this video, we are going to solve Google Workspace for education, and it is a challenging lab. And it is too challenging lab because uh, the step is very easy and nothing impossible in this world. So, we can solve this lab easily, but you must focus on this lab, and this lab will be easily solved. So, guys, if you're not yet liked and subscribed to my channel, please make sure that please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai, guys. So, guys, I'm getting more views but not as subscribers. So support me, guys, and I'll be providing more solution based on cloud as well as AI. So now let me move to our lab, guys. So just copy your email username here and open a console in incognito mode. So here, paste it here. So paste your email here and click on next here and just come back here. So copy your password and then paste it here and click on next here. So click on I understand here. So come back, guys. So let me click on task number one. So now let me move to our lab. So let me accept the terms and conditions here. So after accepting this, so there is a regular step in this education process here. So there will be reflecting here, verify your domain name here. So you can see here in yellow content here. So click on this verify domain here. uh, Wait for a few seconds and click on get started here. So tick here, check here my domain user for different tasks, click on continue here, and below this you can see come back there and confirm, check this and click on confirm here, and wait for a few seconds or come back and just refresh your admin console here. So our one of the step of regular step has been completed. So let me move for our lab at task number one. So set up the structure. You can see the structure here, teachers and students. So just copy the students here. So just copy this and just come back here and click on this menu site here. Below this you can see a directory, click on the directory. Below this you can see organization unit. So click on the organization unit. So click on organization unit here. So paste it here students and click on create. So just come back, guys. After creating, just copy the another one teachers. So copy these teachers here and just come back here and click on create organization unit. So paste it here and click on create here. So after creating this, so you can see our two tasks has been completed here. Two steps are, so let me check our progress here, teachers and students. So we will get a check our progress. So we get a green tick here. So wait for a few seconds, guys, because it may upload slowly, so it may take some time. So after this, assigning access to OUs. So guys, to help the teachers to effectively present classes and assign order Jamboard. So copy this Jamboard, guys. So copy the Jamboard and come back here and click on the search icon here and click on this paste it here Jamboard here and just come back here. So the settings of the parent enable child use, only teachers can use Jamboard. So make sure that click on this Jamboard settings here. So in this Jamboard settings you can this service for everyone. So click on this. So make sure that off for everyone and click on save here. So after saving this, so click on teachers here. So here they've been given here only teachers can use Jamboard here. So make sure that it is off for teachers also. So make sure that click on here and click on override here. So if you come back and verify for students also, it will be off. For teachers it will be on. For teachers it is on, and it is for students it is off. So now we can check our progress here. So click on check my progress here at the task number 2. So our step has been successfully completed. Let me go task number 3. So we need to create a groups here. So the first step is that copy this chemistry here and then come back here. In these groups, you can see here, click on the directory. Below the directory, below this users, you can see a groups here. So come back here, click on the dismiss and click on create group here. In this group, make sure that paste your chemistry given your subject name. So everyone might have, I'm not guessing through, so everyone might have a different subject name. So make sure that copy that and paste it here and paste it for email also. And then for group owners, so click on this and search for work lab. So workspace here. So click on this workspace here and click on next here. So in this, so uncheck these three check boxes here and then invited users only, check this and then click on next, and below this click on create group here. So after this, we need to create for another one also, create another group also. Just come back and copy this literature. So copy this and then just come back here and paste it here and paste it for the email also and search for workspace layer user and then click on next here. So after this, uncheck these three boxes again and then click on invite only in invited users, click on next and click on create group. So guys, at the next step we need to copy the another also. Click on this another group again and then copy the ethics here, ethics. copy this ethics here and just come back here and paste it here, and paste it here in for email also, and search for Workspace. So after clicking this workspace, click on next here and click again, uncheck these three boxes and click on invited users only and click on next, and just come back here. So copy the science project. So you might have been given another name also, so copy that also. So click on create group here. I've been not yet created. So click on create group here. After creating, click on this create group once again here. So paste this science project as a name, group name, and paste this science project as it, and make sure that it should not be have any gaps here. So close these gaps and then search for Workspace here. So Workspace, click on this and click on next here. So click on these check boxes, uncheck these three boxes, and then click on this only invited users only and click on next here and click on create group. So guys, finally we have been created every group of the name which they have been provided here. So click on check my progress here. So you will get a check here of green tick here. So guys, our task 3 has been completed. Let me move for task number 4. So guys, at this support admin calls recovery. So copy this recovery phase here. So copy this and just come back here and search for paste it here and click on recovery. Click on this account recovery here. So you can see user account recovery. Click on this. So just come back here. Teachers can reset their own passwords. So make sure that click on teachers here. So check this allow users on non-super admins to recover their accounts and click on override here, and then students in the science project group can reset their own passwords. So click on these students also and click on check here and click on override, and then copy the science project also. Copy the science project and click on these groups here and paste it here, and you can see science project of the group. Close this and check here and click on save here. So guys, here one of the step has been completed here. So all other students must contact the admin to reset the password. So we have been completed. Let me check our progress here. So our task number 4 also successfully completed, guys. Let me move for task number 5. So in this classroom, so just copy this classroom here. So paste it here and click on enter. So click on this settings for classrooms here. So you can see here it is on for everyone, so no need to change anything. So copy this Google Meet also. So if you're facing some issue by copying and paste, make sure that at the left side click on show more here, and you can see here apps here, apps, and click on this Google Workspace. You can see more Google apps here. So make sure that click on Google Meet here. So make sure that Google Meet must be enabled for all. So it is enabled for all, for everyone. So now let me move. It's for calendar. Enable literature. Copy this, and the students can see the schedule of museum trips. So copy this. Click on calendar here. So now guys, here click on this service status here. So here we must give permission for literature. So make sure that off for everyone, and then click on teachers. So click on teachers. So wait for seeing, and enable for literature teacher and literature students, so they can see the schedule for museum. So guys, just come to here, click on save here. So we have been off for everyone. So after off, click on teachers here. So let me on this for teachers and click on override here, and then click on your group and paste it here literature here. So click on this literature, click on close here. So make sure that check this and click on save here, and after that copy this science project. So copy this and just come back here, click on Gmail here. In the Gmail, click on groups, I think. So enable for teachers and only working students on science projects, projects only, students projects. So make sure that click on service status. So make sure that click on off for everyone and click on save here. After saving, click on the teachers and make sure that on for teachers and click on override here, and at the up arrow mark you can see here groups, paste it here, and click on the science project, click on close here. So check this status and click on save here. So we have been given the permission for Gmail, and the next step is disable external file sharing for teachers and students. So now guys, just come back here. So you can see drive and docs here, click on drive and docs here. So click on this sorry, come back here. So you can see the share settings in Google Docs here. So click on share settings here. So there is a share options here, or click on this pencil mark here. So click on the students. So make sure that off here and uncheck this, and then click on override here, and next click on teachers here. So click on off and uncheck this, and click on override here. So our one of the step has been completed. Let me check our progress, guys. So guys, our task number 5 has been completed. Let me move for task number 6. So guys, follow this step very carefully. So if you're not a subscriber, please make sure to subscribe, and this lab will be easily solved. So guys, now next step is to dial. So just to go for Google Meet here. So search for Google Meet here. Copy this Google Meet. So here it is only, so no need to search here. You can click on this Google Meet here. So at the Google Meet, dial in access is not allowed. So what we must do here, dial. So in the Google Meet, click on this telephony, click on this telephony. So you can see Meet video settings, click on this pencil icon and uncheck this both, and now just come back and click on save here. So after this, only teachers and chemistry students can record. So just come back here and come upside and click on this arrow mark and click on recordings. So in the recordings, you can see come below this you can see here recordings here. Click on this pencil icon, and then what, only teachers and chemistry can record. So uncheck this and click on save here. So now guys, if you click for teachers here, so click on this and click on override here, and just copy the chemistry here of your subject which has been given here, and click on your groups and search for chemistry here, and click on this, click on close here, and click on check here and click on save here. So guys, teachers and chemistry students has been allowed for share record their meetings. Okay, so you can see here, if you come below. So if you see for students, it will be unchecked here. It will not be checked here. It will be unchecked. So this is only verification. So after this, only users from your domain organization can join. So just come back to Google Meet once again here. Click on this Google Meet here. So below this Google Meet, you can see Meets and Safeties, Meet Safety Settings. So click on this domain, and then let me in the first you can see domain here. Click on this pencil icon and make sure that only users of your domain organization. So make sure that only users from your organization, the first option must be selected here, and click on save here. After that, only teachers can replace background with image, only teachers. Okay, so guys, come back again. So you can see here visual effects, under meet video settings. You can see that visual effect. Click on this. So come below this and search for visual effects here. So click on this pencil icon here. So uncheck this, and now you must save this. So it will be unchecked for everyone. So we must check for only teachers must be enabled. So make sure that click check once again here and click override here. So then our teachers can be accessed only. So after this, click on check my progress here. So our task 6 will be successfully completed. I hope so. So guys, our task 6 has been completed successfully. Let me move for task number 7, and it is easy one. Let me move. So just copy the classrooms. So classroom settings, click on this classroom settings. So come below. So click on this classroom settings. So below this classroom settings, you can see a student unenrollment. Click on this and just check this teachers only students will need to ask teachers for unenroll them. So click on save here. So after saving this, so click on check my progress here. So our task number 7 has been successfully completed. So guys, follow this each step very careful, guys. So guys, in every video I am providing the solution step by step. So if you are getting the errors due to lack of focus, guys, so just focus on this what I am selecting and what I am following the step, so you'll not get any errors. So just follow the steps. This is and another one is the task number 8. You must follow the step very carefully, so you'll get this lab very easily with in this lab very easily, guys. So now, guys, at the task number 8, so add users. So guys, I'll be putting link in the description, so get access of that link. So just come back here. So come back to my GitHub and download this. So you can download this DevLabs AI 362, and then just come to a new tab here and search for Google Meet, Google Sheets here. So click on sign in if you have an account, sign in that. So in that, so click on file here and import. So import the file of which will be download devlabs.ai. So browse here. So select the DevLabs AI 362. Click on open here. So you can see here, click on import data. So after that, guys, just come back to your lab and click on this directory and click on users. So in this users, click on this workspace user. So in this workspace user, so just copy this Google thing at Google designer. Just copy, don't need to copy student at the rate. So just copy the Google IDs, that's it. Which will .net something. So just come back, our data has been imported here. So guys, click on this and just remove this Google etc, and just replace it, and then just come back here, and for everything you must replace here. So remove this and replace here which you have been copied in workspace. So just remove this of folder and paste it here, and just come back here, remove this and paste it here, and just remove this and paste it here. So remove this and paste it here, and remove this and paste it here. So and so remove this and paste it here. So guys, we have been uploaded for 9 names here, so which has been provided by our labs only. So it is none other than it is our labs name only, guys. So 9 names will be displayed here. So just come back, guys. So guys, click on this file here and click on this download and click on this CSV comma separated. So you can see here at the file, you can see untitled spreadsheet dash develops AI 362. This file must be saved here. So in your folder, so just come back to our lab, guys, and just come back to users here. So guys, click on this bulk upload and click on this attach CSV file, and then click on this untitled spreadsheet on devlabs.ai 362 and click on open here, and then click on here upload. And after that, you can see this verification will be going on, process of this bulk upload will be going on. If you get the green tick, you have been performed very well in this spreadsheet process. So in this process, we got a green ticket, you can see here, and then just come back and refresh as 3 to 4 times. So our name must be loaded in every name must be loaded here. So some names will be not loaded, so just refresh sometimes and then everything will be loaded here. So after loaded, every names will be displayed like this. So guys, after this loading, click on the students. So students will be having few names, and then teachers will be having 2 names named Oliver as well as Animal Ill. Make sure that, and no need to change anything. Just click on this users from all organization. So the main step is that just come back here and you must choose your subjects and add the students up to the groups. So Oliver Fly, Jedi Miller. So Oliver Fly and Jedi Miller, and then just come back. Oliver Five, Jade Miller, Simon Patel, and Moon. Simon Patel and Hanamoon, and then NetSims and clerk. We must check this and NetSims. So click on this more option, click on add selected groups. So just come back here for chemistry. So we must add for chemistry. So click on this and click on add. So next is so literature for Anime Hill and Jade Miller. Anime Hill, Anime Hill and Jade Miller must be selected here. So you can make sure that selected that Animal Hill and Jade Miller. So Anamoon, Night Sims, which one? Honeymoon and Nat Sims. Honeymoon, Nat Sims, and Nat Sims, Animal Clerk, and John Skinny. Uncheck the Simon Patil, and I think Oliver Fry also. Yeah, Oliver Fry and John Skinny as well, Animal Clerk. So this name must be added here. So added for literature. So click on this more option, click on add selected groups and literature. Click on this and click on add literature. So just come back here for as for next step is ethics. So just refresh once again, all will be unchecked once again, and then Anamila Hill, Jade Miller, Simon Patil. Anamila Hill, Jade Miller, and Simon Patil, and then just come back here, and another was Anamil Clerk. So Anamila Clerk. So this four must be added to ethics group. Ethics group. So click on add here. So just come back here, and after that Oliver Fry, Anamila Hill, Jade Miller. Okay, Jade Miller is Oliver Fry, Animal Hill, and Honeymoon and Animal Clerk. So and click on this Animal Clerk and Honeymoon, and this Oliver Fry it is there. Yeah, Oliver Fry, Animal Hill, Jade Miller, Honeymoon, and Animal Clerk. So totally 5 members. So click on this, click on select groups. So 6 users it is there, guys. So make sure that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So something has been checked here. Simon Patel is there in our group. Simon Patel is not there. So uncheck this Simon Patel. So more option, selected users, and click for science projects. SC. Click on this and click on add. So guys, we have been added the user in step by step. So in every users I have today groups. So let me check our progress, guys. So follow the step of the spreadsheet very carefully and you will not get errors. So it will getting verified and our step has been successfully of task number 8 has been successfully completed. So guys, this is our lab, guys. So let us end this lab. You can see every step we have been successfully completed. So just follow the lab vision and focus on the lab. So most of them getting errors because they are not focusing properly. So they might get errors. So just follow. So I will provide a link in the description of that file of spreadsheet. So just access that and download and what I've been instructing in the video. So just follow as that instructed in this video. So guys, let us end this app. So before that, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai, guys. Let me meet on next video, guys. Thank you.